Okay, so today, let me see if I can get this in there. So today was originally going to be about finishing up the top end of this bike. Let me just show you what was planned for it. So I've already got one cover on. Problem is I can't torque this down because this bolt right here can't get a socket in there. So I had to order, and I don't have any dog bones. Just in case you don't know, a dog bone is, got a 12 point and it has a 3/8 or ½ inch end on it to do for a torque wrench. So I had to order a set of those. So rather than going through this and then not being able to finish this top end, I decided to do something else today. So that'll be in the next video. So today is Harbor Freight's parking lot sale. So one of the things that I was doing in this garage, if you can see it up through here, there's one there, there's one there, and there's one under my light over here. I'm starting to change all these fluorescent lights up here over to LEDs. So Harbor Freight today had a sale on these LED lights for $17.95, I think it was. Normally they go for $24. The ones that I have up there are actually from Lowe's. Okay, sorry, I had to wipe. There was the lens that was all kind of messed up, so I had to wipe some stuff off. So these were from Lowe's. Now, the thing with these is there's no plug on it. You have to hardwire these in, or you can do like I did, was I installed a plug on it. And that was the plan for all of these. I actually bought some wire. You see that one up there is kind of hardwired in. I bought some wire, some plugs. I was going to do it all. And then I saw these on sale at Harbor Freight. Let me take my glasses off so I can see. So if you look at these, they're really the same. You can see this one is 5,500 lumens with 4,000K light. And if you look at the specs on this, where did I see it? It's around here somewhere, up here. These are also 5,500 lumens right there. 4,000K cool white, which is what these are. Now these already have a 3-prong plug, plus it has a pull chain on it, so you don't need to rewire these. Now these were $17.95. I'll put the ad up. Put the ad up for Harbor Freight there. $17.95. These were $49 at Lowe's. So I bought 8 of these because I have 6 upstairs in the second floor of the garage, and I'm going to replace. But I only got enough to do 2 because I wanted to make sure that these were going to be bright enough. You can see how bright. They're pretty bright compared to the fluorescent ones. And I just really wanted to get rid of these fluorescent ones. I'm tired of dealing with the bulbs. You got to take them to a certain place to dispose of them, and you got to keep replacing them. These LEDs supposedly will last 20,000 hours. Supposedly. The bulbs will probably last that long. I don't know about the electrical part of this, whether that will be 20,000 hours, but let me get these installed. I'm not going to go through the whole process. It's just basically taking these lights down and plugging them in. So I won't bother to do that. I'll show you after I'm all done. So you can see kind of how bright it is in here. I don't have any kind of extra lighting going on in here right now. It's just regular, the natural light coming in from the garage, and these fluorescent lights and a couple LEDs. So this one here is supposed to be going over here where the other toolbox is. That's going to be hardwired in. So the rest of these all have plugs, like you can see right here. These two have plugs that plug right in. Because when I put these lights in, I ran the wire and put the plugs in, so I could just plug everything in. So let me install these, and then we'll pick this video back up. Okay, so let's take a look at both of these lights, and you see what you get. So this one here is the Harbor Freight one. Now it doesn't come with a cover. This is the Lowe's one. You can see it's just an LED strip. I'm assuming that's probably what's in here. It's just an LED strip like this. But this has a little bit of a cover for light diffusion. Of course, there's no switches, no pull handle, no cords. You gotta wire this in yourself. They do give you some screws. I'm not really sure. I don't remember what this was for. Some kind of bracket for something. I don't remember what it's for. You get some wire nuts, and you get some screws to do whatever. But this cover just kind of snaps in place, like in here. You just kind of snap it in. you can take this out by lifting these pieces up. So this one is already done for you. It's already got the plug. They do include the chains. This one doesn't come with any chains. I'm not sure why it doesn't, but it doesn't come with any chains. I think the chain fell off this one. Yeah, here it is right here. So I bend these. I don't think I bent this one up enough, but anyway, it comes with chains. And let me take this off as it goes right up through there like that. So it goes up there like that, and I can just take the light down that I have over here and just put this one right in a matter of a couple minutes. This one, again, you got to hardwire it in. Now normally these go for $24.95, but they are on sale for the next 3 days. Today is Friday, June 2nd. So this sale goes on at Harbor Freight until Sunday the 4th. These are always $50, $49.99. These are normally $24.99, on sale for $17.95. So I'm going to put this one up next. I'm going to hook this one up there next to this one, and we'll turn it on and we'll see what the difference is on the as far as the fluorescent lights go. I don't know if you can tell or not, but you can see the huge difference between the LED on the right and the fluorescent on the left. I mean, it's looking at the LED is almost blinding me looking at it. It's so bright. So the other one is, and I believe the fluorescent lights are cool white too, which is the same as the LED ones. So let me get the rest of these hooked up, and I'll come back. Okay, so they're all in. I still have one more that has to go over there. That's the hardwired one from Lowe's. That's got to go over there. But I don't know if it shows up on camera, but is so much brighter in here now. You can link up to 8 of these lights, like it shows on here. It says link up to 8. And if you could see that one, it has a plug on the end. You can plug it in. So huge improvement over the fluorescents. I don't have to deal with replacing these bulbs anymore. It's just great. Works out really good. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hopefully this gives you a little bit of info. Harbor Freight sale goes till Sunday, June 4th. I still have 3 lights left. 3 of those are going upstairs, so I'm going to have to get out and get 3 more, because I want to completely do away with any of the fluorescent stuff and just go strictly LEDs. And it's just so much brighter in here now with those 5 new ones that I installed. So don't forget to subscribe, leave me some thumbs up, leave me some comments below. What do you think? Have you bought any of these lights from either Lowe's or Harbor Freight? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.